Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make mint and coriander chutney. This dip you can use it for any chat. Take 1 cup of mint leaves, wash it thoroughly and put it in a mixie jar. Take 1 cup of coriander leaves with stems are fine. You can add 1 or 2 green chilies according to your taste. Around 1 inch of ginger. Around 1/4 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of mango powder or amchur powder. A pinch of hing. I have added 1 to 2 teaspoon of sugar. If you like sweet, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. A pinch of black salt, it's optional. All the ingredients into a mixture jar and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and blend it to smooth paste. Lastly, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and just grind it to mix it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye-bye.